Welcome to the solution of the intermediate puzzle Hex Division 2 from June 19th of 2024, and it shows a regular hexagon with a line segment to this midpoint and another red line segment that forms equal angles. And we're asked to find proportion blue to green to red. Well, to find that proportion, first make visible the points, and let's say for convenience we choose the side length to be 4. It will become clear why that is convenient, so that these segments are half that, so we have here 2 as well. So this is easily found. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle from the point centered in point G with a radius of 2. Obviously it goes through those 2 vertices, and it also goes through this point. So if I draw the line segment, this line segment, then it's also, because it's a radius, by construction, it has also length 2. Now, because we have here 2 equal angles, then it is obvious, because this is an isosceles triangle from the circle. So here we have the diagonals of this quadrilateral, they are perpendicular. So therefore we know that it is a kite. Yes, it is a kite, so that means it has reflection symmetry along the axis AG. So therefore we know that this angle is equal to that angle, and that is 120 degrees from the regular hexagon. So here we have 120 degrees, and here we have 60. So let's put that over here, 60 degrees. So what I can now, I'm tempted to do, if in the circle we always have isosceles triangles, and if we have one angle over here 60, we can draw an equilateral triangle. So if I draw this equilateral triangle, the other vertex is also on the circle. Yeah, so we have here 2, we have here 2, and because of the 60 degrees, all angles are 60 degrees. So this is also 2. So let's put that. The 2 is also over here. Okay, let's continue. If I say that I call this angle, that equal angle, I call it x. It has measure x over here. Of course, here we have also x. And that means that here we have 120, that here we have 60 minus x. All right, 60 minus x. Well, if you, of course, because it's a kite, that 60 minus x is also there. So here, obviously here we have 60. So what we are left is very easy here. It's 2x. Now, because again we have here a kite, because this is an isosceles triangle, the angles here are also the same. So this is 120, this is 120. So you can easily see that the 2 triangles, opposing triangles, are congruent, and therefore they form again a kite, the kite GCHI. And what's more, that kite is exactly similar to the kite A, B, G, B prime. Yeah, the one we found earlier. Because it also has here an angle 2x, it has here two angles 120, and on this side we have 120 minus 2x. So those two kites are similar, and from this side, you know, this is 4, so and this is 2, we know that the proportionality factor between them is 2. And now that means, because we have 4, 2, that means that if we have here T2, then that must be 1 from the similarity that follows. So we have found that here we have a 1. Well, now we are in business because, well, obviously this total is again 4, its size, so we have here 3. Yeah, that's 4 minus 1. So we already have found that blue to green is 1 to 3. But we can again use the fact that it's a kite, so that 1 is also over here. And from this kite we know that that 4 is also over here. So now we have also found that the red is 4 plus 2 plus 1, so that's 7. So we have now found the proportion blue to green to red is 1 to 3 to 7.